Software engineering salaries are quite high, higher than the average salary. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your salary to grow your wealth, improve your skills, and hopefully make you more productive. I'm not going to talk about housing. I'm not going to talk about rent, food, the necessities. I'm going to assume that all of that is covered. I'm going to be talking about the leftover money. You're either currently spending it on useless rubbish that you just don't need, or it's just sitting in your bank account fading away with inflation. So let's fix that. I'm going to split this video into 3 sections. The first section being I want you to invest in yourself. Now, you need to be on the top of your game for software engineering. If you want to hit those promotions, you really need to up your game. You need to be constantly on top of these new and upcoming technologies and be that person that your team goes to for when they need help on a certain topic. I'm really trying to learn myself. It's always a battle to keep learning, but also that's what's great about software engineering as a job. You're constantly learning. I'm talking certifications, I'm talking online courses, I'm talking seminars, conferences, maybe even boot camps. I've just finished the boot camp and I'm really considering another one. Just think of it as soon as you stop learning, that's when you're going to stay stagnant. And in this line of work, you just can't. But also building a social media presence. Imagine your next job is offered to you purely from the articles you wrote on your blog, or those in-depth Twitter threads that you wrote about a certain topic. My prediction for these next years is I don't think a resume and an online portfolio is good enough. I think recruiters are going to look for more. They want to see you online, being active in the community and showing that you truly care. And that's one of the reasons why I've started this YouTube channel. Anyone can build a portfolio in like a weekend, but like building your online presence takes hours of your time every single week, but also as well as doing all the basics like a solid portfolio, a solid resume, and good interview skills. And when people say you need to invest your money, well, I'd argue investing in yourself is so much more important. The ROI on yourself could be incredible, whereas putting it in someone else's control is completely limited. Imagine you upgrade your skills and then get a promotion, you get a 25% raise in a year. That's crazy numbers. That's personally what I'm currently trying to strive for. We'll see how it goes. Now, you start investing in yourself, getting better over time, and this is the money that's on the side that you do want to grow over time. If it's currently sitting in a bank account, get it out, invest your money, okay? I'm going to be straight up here, quite harsh actually. If you're in your late 20s, 30s, oh my god, maybe even 40s, and you're not investing your money, stop this video and go learn it now. Doesn't take long. Just learn how you can put your money in a market tracking fund, earning on average 8% every single year. Some years is lower, some years is higher. It's just the average. But genuinely, that is a minimum you need to be doing. That's the most hands-off approach and probably the best, because longer term it just will grow over time. I'm telling you now, over these past years, investing has been made so easy and so accessible to all of us that we need to be doing it. If you're in your 20s, going out every weekend, spending all your money on alcohol and going out, take a hard look at yourself, guys, and just invest your money. Imagine when you hit like late 40s, 50s and you've got no money. It's just not acceptable. And also, if you want to learn how much software engineers make in the UK, click the video above. I am quite interested in money, so if you guys want me to make any more videos about money related topics with software engineering, happy to do so, happy to delve into that sort of stuff. And the last thing I'm going to be talking about is productivity, in particular where you can spend your money on productivity apps or websites or softwares, but these aren't to fix your productivity issue. This assumes your productivity is quite good and you just want to squeeze that extra 5% out of it, and these type of softwares hopefully will help with that. I'm still trying to find cool softwares to use to help me with my software engineering job that you can spend your money on. These are just 3 I use that save my time. So I use Snippets Lab. I just use it for coding snippets that are just easy accessible, that'll save me like minutes when I need to search for each command I need to run the server or something like that, instead of having to like pester my teammates for something like that. It's just nice to have like a little database with all the snippets that you use frequently that you can just easily access. Next one I've been using is something called brain.fm. It's basically music for productivity. They sell it as like a research based music. that helps you get in the flow of things. So I've been using it, it's quite good, maybe check that out. And then this one's just free. What I use for documentation is called GitBook. It's probably, I'd argue, I'm not sure, I'm not convinced on this one. I might just go back to Notion, because Notion's quite good as well for just everything to do with documentation. But those are the three I can think of on the top of my head that are quite good for productivity. But let me know what softwares you guys used in the comments below. I'd love to learn more. I'm always trying to squeeze out more productivity stuff, trying to be better with my time efficiency and time management. But that's all for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed.